Hi, my name is Joe Iacobellis. I'm a Senior Associate and Director of Design at Mojo Stumer Associates. We're an architecture and interior design firm based out of New York with a 40-year history of award-winning modern architecture and interiors, both residential and commercial. We're honored to be receiving this recognition by the Ceramics of Italy competition. This is actually our third recognition from this competition, and we're as excited as we were the first time, and we're honored for the privilege of being involved. This project was the interior architecture and design for a penthouse apartment in Miami Beach, and we were working very closely with our client, who we've done several projects with before. For this project, we use Florim porcelain tiles, large format, to clad most of the walls throughout the apartment. The original intention for the design of this project was to create a semi-industrial, modern look. We wanted to stay away from the overly colorful white and blue Miami look and come up with something a little bit more cutting edge, a little bit edgier, a little bit of our New York style, and introduce it into Miami. So we had this desire from the beginning to introduce a lot of concrete and steel in the project. And from early on, we were looking to work with artisans and craftsmen that would actually be able to give us a hand-applied concrete effect on a lot of the walls. We wanted this to look as though the concrete was coming through the walls and being exposed into the apartment. In the end, this was proving more difficult than planned, as we were having a hard time finding the balance between a level of consistency from wall to wall throughout the apartment, but also with the rough and very raw characteristic texture of real concrete. Ultimately, we made a decision to change course, and instead of going with a hand-applied texture, to move entirely to large format porcelain tiles. We worked very closely with Florim to make this project happen. Claudio Petrucco was our main rep, and he's a good friend of ours, and he really helped to bring this project to life. We used the Florim Chadid Matrica product in the Essenza color, which really gave us a beautiful concrete finish and concrete effect. It allowed us to work with very tight lines and tight joint lines, and working with a really fantastic installer, which was Dutch Master, based out of Miami in Florida, we were able to execute a lot of our originally planned details with almost no compromise. Again, we'd like to thank the Ceramics of Italy competition and the entire project team who was involved in bringing this really exciting design to life. We can't wait to do our next one.